Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm excited to share with you 10 easy DIY projects that will help you transform your outdoor space and create a beautiful, relaxing environment to enjoy all season long. First up, we have building a raised garden bed. This is a great project for anyone who loves gardening, as it allows you to grow your own vegetables and herbs in a small space. You can build your raised garden bed using wood planks or cinder blocks, and fill it with nutrient-rich soil for healthy plants. Next, let's talk about outdoor lighting. Adding the right lighting to your outdoor space can really set the mood and create a warm, inviting atmosphere. You can install string lights, lanterns, or even DIY your own solar-powered lighting using mason jars and LED lights. If you love birds and want to attract them to your outdoor space, building a DIY birdhouse or bird feeder is a fun and rewarding project. You can use scrap wood or repurpose old items like teapots or jars to create unique and charming birdhouses that will bring new life to your yard. Another way to improve your outdoor space is to build your own outdoor furniture. You can use pallets or other recycled materials to make a rustic bench, chair, or even a table for outdoor dining. By doing it yourself, you can create a custom piece that fits your unique style and needs. A DIY fire pit is another great project that can add warmth and ambiance to your outdoor space. You can build a fire pit using stones or bricks, and create a seating area around it for cozy nights spent outside with friends and family. Speaking of gardens, have you ever considered a vertical garden? This is a great option for small spaces or for adding greenery to walls or fences. You can use a variety of plants and materials to create a stunning living wall that will be the envy of your neighborhood. For a relaxing and soothing addition to your outdoor space, consider building a water feature. You can build a simple fountain using a pot or urn, or create a more elaborate pond or waterfall using rocks and a water pump. A garden trellis is another simple DIY project that can add beauty and functionality to your outdoor space. You can build a trellis using wood or metal, and use it to support climbing plants like roses or vines. Another way to add some color and greenery to your outdoor space is to build your own planter. You can use old buckets, cans, or other containers to create unique and whimsical planters that will add character to your yard. Finally, don't forget about outdoor decor. You can use repurposed items like old windows or shutters to create a unique outdoor art piece, or add some whimsy with a DIY wind chime or mobile. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed these 10 easy DIY projects and feel inspired to try them out in your own outdoor space. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.